Hello YouTube. I know it's been a long time. This is Crazy Bullet Man, and this is my workshop back in my house. Over here I have another shop. Got my Harley in there. And this is my pool float my wife liked. A couple of reloading equipment. The wads from Playbusters. Okay, and then my progressive press from Lee, and my Hornady Pacific 366 progressive automatic reloader. And in my other shop, that's my house, my main house, my golf cart. And in my main house, my main shop anyway, got a lot of junk in here, tools, all kinds, that I use to work in my shop, including some canoes up here. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys, I also have a lot of brass and a couple more presses in here. And everybody's talking about how they make their black powder shot shells. I have an old World War I Henry double barrel side-by-side shotgun in 12 gauge, and I'm using FFG Coax black powder, Winchester primers, and Remington hulls. Now, Ballistic Products, I don't know if you guys ever heard of them. They have this cutter. This cutter you can adjust to whatever size you want your holes. Sorry, I only got one hand. You stick your holes, let me see if I can do this. Stick your holes in here. Okay. And you close it gently. Got a blade in there. Okay. Close it gently, and you turn that wad and it'll cut it to whatever size you want. You can adjust it on the side. Made by Ballistic Products. Great. Now here's what I'm doing. I'm using Ballistic Products transparent hull covers at the end after your shot is placed. And this is what I'm coming out with. I mark them all the time, BP, black powder, and this is what I'm using. First thing I do is I knock them out like everybody does with a 2x4, knock the primer out, and then I put 70 grains of FFG with a measure, black powder measure, and then I put 8 of these cushion wads. They're cardboard, but they're cushiony. I put 8 of them inside that hole, inside this hole. After the powder's been in there, I put those 8 cushion wads, and then I'll put the shot, 1 1/8 ounces of shot. Then I put that plastic wad that I bought at Ballistic Products, okay, and then I use this old antique hull where it does, it's what they call one of those roll crimp. That's what they call it, roll crimp, and this is what you get. If my grandson's around, he can hold the camera, and later on in another video I'll show you how to make those. But they work out really good, especially on my double barrel World War I Henry. Thanks, hope that helps.